at the State Assembly donated 2 million naira. Inspecting the affected primary health care center, Governor Kashim Shettima, who didn't meet most of the staff, said government will not tolerate negligence as salaries and other entitlements are paid regularly.
Any medical doctor in the employ of the Borno State government who happens to come from this part of the world and is not willing to come and serve his own people, he resign from the services of the Borno State government. And we are going to send biometric team to conduct biometric exercise on all the teachers and all the medical personnel of this local government.
While there, the governor inspected the finishing touches on the facilities about to be inaugurated. In Maiduguri, Mahmoud Sgoni, NTA News.
National Commission for Refugees, Migrants and Internally Displaced Persons says it will spare no effort in addressing series of nutritional challenges confronting victims of insurgency within the Northeast region. Team leader from the National Commission for Refugees, Itoro Moses Duku, stated this when she led other officials of the commission to NYSC IDP camp Maiduguri for assessment of persons suffering from acute malnutrition, preparatory to flagging off of a nutrition support program at various IDPs camps in northeastern Nigeria. Here is the report. The assessment by officials of the National Commission for Refugees, Migrants and Internally Displaced Persons in collaboration with International Organization for Migration, UNICEF, as well as Borno State Primary Healthcare Development Agency, is to ensure effective coverage among pregnant and lactating mothers, in addition to children below the age of 5. According to the team leader, Itoro Moses Duku, one of the core mandate of setting up the commission is to address critical issues facing IDPs, hence the immediate health intervention program.
The essence of our coming here is actually on the preventive measure, to create awareness in the camp for them to know exactly how to eat a healthy, a balanced diet, and prevent malnutrition.
Zonal Coordinator, National Commission for Refugees, Migrants and IDPs, Abdullahi Ahmed, said they have made significant progress so far in terms of physical assessment and data collection of the targeted beneficiaries.
The conduct is very peaceful. We've started and it is ongoing, and we will continue until when we have exhausted all the beneficiaries.
The beneficiaries commended the Commission for coming up with the health initiative and assured of maximum cooperation for optimum results. And that's our contribution from Maiduguri. Jumai is back to you now for more on Nationwide. Good afternoon.
Thank you, Abubakar. Nigeria is addressing the poor maintenance culture, which is rated as one of the lowest around the world. Gufan Shaji reports that the National Institute for Cultural Orientation is leading desensitization to change this habit that has had negative effects on public property.
One needs not to look far and search deeper before seeing what lack of maintenance culture has caused public properties and utilities across the country. The alarming rise of infrastructural decay and dilapidation experienced over the years as a result of poor maintenance culture attributed to the negative attitude towards public property. It is to change the notion that government property is nobody's business that this quarterly public lecture tagged Maintenance Culture, a panacea for sustainable infrastructural development in Nigeria, is taking place in Abuja. It is a wake-up call to Nigerians to imbibe positive attitudes towards the nation's infrastructure by owning them, ensuring their protection and maintenance.
There's a little or no fund allocation for the maintenance of our infrastructure. Most times you find that in most of our agencies, provisions are not made to maintain structures when they are provided. Attention
was also raised for the need to reset mindsets, especially at the family level and educational institutions, to promote Nigerian cultures.
That at our family level, we must re-establish the discipline we used to know of in those days. If we say we cannot start anything again, what we are talking here is going to be a miracle.
The National Institute for Cultural Orientation, which is leading the Maintain Public Property campaign, is using the lecture as one of the vehicles to carry the message to all. In Abuja, Gufan Shaji, NTA News.
Sports update is next.